Hi, good morning, guys. So sorry. You might hear my little baby in the background. But she is sick today, so I'm not going to be here. So I'm going to make a video so that you guys don't get behind. So make sure you grab all your things in the back of the classroom. And then we're first going to start with this slope intercept form. For each of the following equations, identify the slope and the y-intercept. So we've been practicing this in class, but I just want you guys to go ahead and do that. You're going to identify each one, give yourself about 10 minutes, and you're going to identify the slope and y-intercept. So go ahead and pause the video. I really want you guys to try this on your own. Hopefully you pause the video and try it on your own before I just give you the answers. But if you guys look, the M part is the slope, okay? That is the slope, and the B is going to be your y-intercept. So that is the part that is not going to be attached to the variable. So I'm going to make the slope pink, and I'm going to make the y-intercept blue. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to circle all my slopes pink. And hopefully you can see a pattern in this, that you see all the slopes are going to be attached to the variable. And I'm going to include a sign in front of the variable just to know that that's going to let me know that's negative. So this is a slope. Now this one, we're going to have to do a little bit of manipulation. Okay. Now, I'm going to do this in block. And the first thing I got to do is I got to get y by itself. So I'm going to do the inverse operation here. I'm going to add 2x to both sides. I'm going to go across. And now I have equals negative 3y. 9 plus 2x. And then after that, we're going to divide each term by negative 3. And then now I have my equation, which is going to be y equals negative 3 minus 2/3 x. So I can go back and I'm going to circle, and I see now my slope is going to be negative 2/3. Okay. My slope here is going to be 6. And then we're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to have to get the y by itself. So I'm going to do inverse operation here. And I'm going to go across. And I'm going to bring down, I'm going to cross this out, and I'm going to bring down 4y equals 8 plus 3x. Then to get the y by itself, I'm going to divide each term by 4. And so now I have y equals 2 plus 3/4 x. So now I can see that my slope here is going to be 3/4. So now we're going to go to the y-intercept. So my y-intercept here is the number not attached to the variable. So that would be 8, negative 4, negative 6, 9, negative 15. Here we already got the y by itself. Negative 3. Here is proportional. So the y-intercept here is going to be 0. Okay, because it's going to go through the origin. And then this one is 2. All right, moving on. So now we're going to do point slope formula. So you guys, make sure you take it, pause the video. I want you to try this on your own. And then I'm going to go over it with you. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my railroad tracks. I'm going to use pink still. All right. pink for you, Rainy. And then I'm going to first do distributive property. So it's going to be equals negative 4x plus 48 y minus 3. Okay. Then I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So now I have y equals negative 4x plus 51. Okay, just give me a second. Yes, Robin. All right, I'm back. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing with all of these. You're going to do distributive property here. This would be 5x minus 50 equals y plus 8. Then to get the y by itself, I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. And then we're going to have y equals 5x minus 58. I'm going to do the top 3, and then you guys are going to do the rest. I'm going to do this one as well. I'm going to distribute this. This is going to turn to negative 3/5 x. We're going to multiply this here. That's going to turn to negative 6/5. If you don't believe me, you can use a calculator. And then we're going to do y minus 10. Then I'm going to do inverse operation. I'm going to add 10 to both sides because I'm a little lazy. I'm going to use the calculator to do the rest. So I'm going to grab my calculator. Give me a second. I'm going to get the TI. It's coming. And I'm going to add those two numbers. So we're going to do alpha x to get the fraction, negative 6/5 plus 10. And that's going to be, oh, it's so small I can't see it, negative 44 over 5. And that's all you have to do. And just do it for kicks and giggles because my brain is a little fried. I'm not even going to lie. I'm going to make sure I did this right. So I didn't do the wrong math. Yeah. So that's going to be plus 44 over 5. Never be ashamed to check your work. We all make mistakes. All right. You guys do 4, 5, and 6. I want you guys to make sure you turn that in. I'll be checking. So I did the first 3. You can do the 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Hold on. Hey. Hey. Which of the following could be a point on the following line? All right, I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to do this as part 1, and I'll do part 2 in a second.